Hello, in this video I'll be sharing with you information on how to start a channel on YouTube, or I can also call it how to start a YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel is a great way to share content, build an audience, and even create a business. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to start. Number one you need to do is to create a Google account. To start a YouTube channel, you need a Google account. If you don't already have one, go to Google sign up page and create one right away. Number two thing you need to do to start a YouTube channel is set up your YouTube channel. Once your Google account is ready, head to YouTube. Click on the profile icon in the top right corner and select your channel. YouTube will prompt you to create a new channel. You can either use your personal name or create a custom name for your channel. If you choose a custom name, it can help define your brand and niche. So if you choose a name related to your niche, it will help to define it. If you use your name, it helps to define it. So it's a two-way. Now, the third thing you need to do is to optimize your channel. You optimize your channel by including profile picture and banner. Upload a profile picture and a banner image that represents your channel's theme or niche. This will be the first thing visitors see when they visit your channel. Then also the about section of your channel. Fill out the about section with a short, engaging description of your channel. This helps visitors understand what your content is about and why they should subscribe. The next thing is links. Add links to your website, social media pages, or other relevant content. These links will appear on your channel banner, and people that come to your channel can go to those links can get to those pages you are putting the links on your channel through the links. Number four thing you need to do to start a YouTube channel as you start is to plan your content strategy. Decide on your niche. Focus on a niche that you are passionate about, whether it's education, entertainment, technology, or lifestyle. Having a clear focus helps you build an audience. Then another thing is content calendar. Plan a content calendar to keep track of your video uploads and stay consistent. Posting regularly is important for growing an audience. Then number five, create your first video. What equipment do you need to create your first video? You don't need expensive equipment to start. Just like a close person to me some years ago, she wanted to learn computer, how to operate the computer. They used to learn it somewhere in town because computer just came into the country, Nigeria then, many years ago. And the person told said, does the person know about physics? The person did not do physics. And because of that, they were hindered the person from going into learning how to operate the computer because the person does not know anything about physics. Whereas physics is not needed for you to operate the computer. Even those who don't even know how to read and write, they can operate the computer. They can press something on it. But because of that information that, oh, you don't have this, so this is not possible. So what equipment do you need to start a YouTube channel? So people will say, oh, I don't have this, I don't have this, I don't have this. Cool down. You don't need expensive equipment to start, but a good quality camera, a microphone, and proper lighting will help you create professional looking videos. You can start with a smartphone camera and a simple ring light. So as I'm recording this video now, I'm using this ring light to record this video. So I'm putting the ring light now under the table where I'm recording, and see, it is still bright. So there are windows in front of me, and then I have a curtain as a background. Now these windows in front of me, I've raised the curtain up so that light is facing me directly, natural light. So if you don't have anything except your phone, now I'm bringing back the ring light. It makes a difference, but the difference is not much. But I can shoot my video. Let me put off the light and put it on. So this is the control of the ring light. I can switch it off. It's off now. So you can still see me clearly. So you can still shoot a video this way. And if you want to put it on, it's back on now. So the difference is there, but it's not too much. So these are basic things that you need. If you don't have ring light, how much is the ring light? Very not too expensive. So you can start just with your phone, like I'm using my phone, and then with ring light, or we start with natural light, and then you go on. You can edit on your phone and upload on your phone. You can use Canva on your phone, um create your thumbnail on your phone, and then you upload and do everything on your phone while you are starting. Then later on you can get a laptop to start doing more works like that. Now, in addition to talking about creating your first video equipment, then editing, in talking about editing, use video editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro, iMovie, or even free tools like DaVinci Resolve. Editing will help you cut out mistakes, improve sound quality, and make your videos more engaging. If you are recording in a noisy place, there is no problem. I recorded in a noisy place. I was somewhere in a campus environment outside of Nigeria. Precisely, I was in India some months ago. I was there for 8 months. Then I felt like recording. So on a Sunday, I go out of my room. I want to record outside of my room in the compound of the premises in the school environment. I want to see to show. So I went to the school environment. I sat down with a chair, there was a table. I sat down, but there was a background music being played in the school. It plays and plays and plays. So I was even happy that wow, this background music is going to help my video. But when I uploaded the video, it was flagged as copyrighted music. So what did I do? I went online to look for noise remover so that only my voice is going to show. And I found one, and then I used it, and that was it. I will leave the link to that voice remover in the comment section below so that if you have such issues, you also can use it, and then you can be able to go on. So editing will help you to remove mistakes, but if you're just starting, what mistakes are you going to be doing in your video? So you record purposeful recording. You record purposefully, and if you see that you are not recording, you can record, you can cut and do other things. Editing is good, but you have to minimize your errors so that once you record, you can go, and then you can also do live streaming. You can do live streaming so that you don't need to be recording, you don't need to be editing. So you go live and then you record, you talk what you want to talk, and then it goes on that way. Now, let's talk about thumbnail and title. Create a catchy thumbnail and title. A compelling thumbnail increases click-through rates, and a good title help with search engine optimization. In talking about title and thumbnail, you are not coming to reinvent the wheel. Please have that at the back of your mind. You're not creating everything entirely new that has not been seen before. There are people already doing fine and fantastic in that niche where you are. Go and look at what they are doing right and copy it. Look at their thumbnail, look at the color, look at how they place their picture. Design your own that way too. Place your picture the way they place their own. You've designed it. All you did was to use something similar to their own. You designed it yourself. They also saw theirs somewhere and they kept on improving. So you keep designing your thumbnail in that fashion, and that can help you to get traction. When you get traction, you can tweak and change your thumbnail to see how different thumbnails are going to be. Then number 6, upload and optimize your video. SEO optimization. Before uploading, make sure to add relevant tags, descriptions, and keywords. You can check these online for tags and keywords, related words. When anything you search for, maybe title of your video, put it on Google. It will give you some information. Then as you go down, it will give you people also search for, people also ask for. So it will give you different things. Copy those things. They can use them as tags. You can even use them as other follow-up content. Since you are talking about this, people are also asking for this, then do videos on those things that people are also asking for. That is one way to get content information or to get content ideas. So apart from this, they talk about the thumbnail. So all these are going to help YouTube recommend your video to the right audience. So Apart from this, you can go to your competitors page. Your competitors are doing very fine. Go and look at their keywords. Maybe that video you are doing related to something they have done. Look at the keywords they use in that similar video and also use some of the keywords. Then you have to add a call to action. Encourage viewers to like, comment, and subscribe at the beginning or end of your videos. So when I first started my YouTube channel, everywhere I'm just shouting subscribe, 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 subscribe. So you have to make a call to action. Tell them what to do. You have provided value, fine. You are an influencer and you don't tell your viewers what they are going to do for you. They will not do anything. So if you ask them now, if I ask you now, subscribe. Okay, if you that are watching, you have not subscribed to this channel, see the subscribe button below the video, click it. Some will click, some will not click. Okay, go ahead and like this video now. Some will like, some will not like. Go ahead and share this video. Some will share, some will not share. Because your own role is to say it, tell them the call to action. If you don't call them to action, many will not do anything. But if you make the call to action, they will remember and they will do it. So also you have to use the video description, include a detailed video description that explains what the video is about, adding keywords that will help with discoverability. In writing your description, ChatGPT is there. Many online tools are there that help you to write description. So put it on ChatGPT. Please help me to write a description for this video titled such and such and such. Make sure you put call to action. Mention that it is social channel. All those things, any information you wanted to include, you give it, you feed it in. What I do in previous times is I also ask ChatGPT to write my tags. I used to write my tags. Later, when ChatGPT became obvious, I started using ChatGPT to write my tags. So I do a combination of tags. In writing my tags, ChatGPT, if I'm writing on this video is about how to start a YouTube channel or they're about, ChatGPT will go off and be talking about, if you leave YouTube, talking about some other things. It can even be including TikTok in the tag. So I will tell ChatGPT that make sure that the tags or the keywords are words that to be selected. Every keyword must be from the words in the title. So that will streamline ChatGPT. At the start, when I started, ChatGPT will list all the keywords. You may even number it 1, 2, 3, 4, or sometimes to bullet it. I will now tell ChatGPT to separate the keywords with a comma. So if it's bullet it, I have to edit it and be putting comma, remove the bullet, or if you number it, remove the number and do all those things. But when I saw ChatGPT, beg your pardon, excuse me, when I told ChatGPT, separate the keywords or tags with comma, it makes my work easy. So if I copy all the tags, I can easily paste it in the tags or keyword section on YouTube without having to edit it. So these are some of the tools that we can use for write our description and other things. Then the next thing you need to do is to promote your channel. Share your channel on social media. Promote your videos on social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. This increases visibility and drives traffic to your channel. I used to do this previously, but now I limited it because I see that if you have done my own work in the searching for information that people are searching for, then easily they will search for it and they will come to it. And all that is what we call organic search. So when you promote, it's good to promote, but it's better if your channel is going to be getting content through organic search because it is sure that you are not going to spend money on promoting again. So that means if you are promoting every time, you have to be promoting the channel. Whereas you are a content creator, you should be able to do your research in such a way that you are going to give people what they are searching for. Now, you also need to engage with your audience. Respond to comments, like ask questions, and interact with your viewers to build a loyal community. So there are some channels that people will ask questions. I also go to some channel, ask them questions, they won't answer you. That is bad enough if you are a channel. Most those people that don't answer, whether they don't know what they are doing or they are big channels. Most big channels, they are into so many things. So he just does this video, it goes off. So he knows people will watch. So he doesn't have time to look at all the comments one after the other. But as a small YouTuber and as a good YouTuber, whether big or small, you should respond to every comment. Somebody told me that you didn't put the people at the other end. Now you are watching this video. I did not pay you to watch the video. I did not put you there to watch the video. You saw that you are going to gain value from the video and then you started watching. So any comment you make on this video, any question you ask, I am obligated to answer as a responsible individual. So if you are starting a channel, people ask you a question, then you didn't answer them, or just say, this video was helpful, you should answer, do a thumbs up for the person, or just say thank you. No matter what they say, you reply them. That is how to keep your channel engaged. So if you want to make, the next thing is to monetize your channel. If you want to make money from YouTube, you need to reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. Once you reach this threshold, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program and start earning through YouTube ads. Then analyze your performance and then you improve. Use YouTube analytics to track your performance. This will help you understand which videos perform best, your audience, demographics, and how you can improve your future content. So if you follow these steps, I'm sure that you are going to have a great YouTube channel. Now, I can help you to create a faceless YouTube channel that will get monetized in 6 months to 1 year. So your channel will be owned by you. All I will help you to do is to create content on the channel and run it for 6 months to one year. When it is going to be monetized, then I release the channel to you, or if you want me to continue running the channel for you, I will continue. So to help you to create a channel like that, where it's going to be monetized in 6 months to 1 year, you are going to pay me a sum of 200,000 naira only to help you to create that channel, and it's going to be in the name that you want it to be, and you are the one that will create the Gmail that will be linked to the channel. Now, if you don't have up to 200,000, you can contact me and I will give you a discount. If you tell me that you saw this content and that's why you're making the demand, I can give you a discount on that. But this is 2024 and this is December 4, 2024. And boy, I'm recording this video and it's 200,000. I don't know how much it's going to be in January 2025 and thereabouts. So this is a limited offer just for this December 4 to December 31. If you contact me, I should help you to set up a YouTube channel and run it, put content on it, and monetize it in 6 months to 12 months. I'm going to take 200,000 from you to do that as a parting gift to the year 2024. So I know you like content like this, and that is why you have stayed glued to this video up to now. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Also like this very video, share the link of this very video with your family and friends, and comment below. Until I come your ways with more helpful videos, this video popping up from my channel right now is the next that you need to watch. All the best, guys. One love from me. I'll see you in the next one.